Welcome to
Coding with Kids.
My name is Kalia.
And my name is Andrew.
Today we're in CodeCombat.
So we're in Kithgard Dungeon and we're gonna go to Breakout. Let's press play.
For honor.
Then I'm gonna press play again. So the goals are: free your friend, break both doors, under 7 statements. Okay, so let's press start level. So here is the person we need to rescue. So first we need to attack the weak door.
It has a name, so when we do the attack code, we can type the name so it will actually attack the weak door.
Okay, so after we rescue her, we need to go all the way to the door and escape. So first, we're gonna move. Here, move.
Right.
Right. Okay. And then hero attack. So we're gonna do double quotes because it's a door.
It's a name.
Yeah, not a variable. So then weak door. Okay, let's press run.
Okay.
Okay, now the prisoner is free, and there's an orc coming, so she's gonna defend us while we run toward the door. So you see now the prisoner has escaped and the door is broken. So now hero move right,
Then
and
down.
yeah, hero move down. Okay, let's press run. So now we're here, and she's fighting the orc, so we
we can't open the door.
Yeah, okay.
But we can't run the code forever, or the prisoner will die,
Yeah.
and then we will get attacked.
Okay, so now we hero attack. Double
Door.
close, and yeah, double close and then door.
But if you type weak door, then it will attack the weak door where we free the prisoner.
Yeah, but it's already broken, so we
Yeah.
don't need to break it. So now hero goes down. Okay.
So we can go through the door.
Okay, so let's press run.
Looks like we need to attack the door 2 times.
Okay. Hero attack.
Door.
Door. Okay, so let's press run.
Haha. Wait. Yay.
Okay, now we have escaped. So now she also has activated a fireball shooter and is hurting the orcs. So let's press done.
Yay.
And that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Remember to smash a like and subscribe. Bye bye.
Bye-bye.